Hello student, today we will do question number 21 from miscellaneous exercise on chapter 7 NCERT Math Books class 12. So without further ado, let's get started. We have to find integration of this. So we will integrate this by method of partial fraction. So suppose let x square plus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square x plus 2 is equal to a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 1 whole square plus c by x plus 2. Now we'll take LCM. X LCM will be x plus 1 whole square x plus 2. It will divide this so a x plus 1 will cut and 1x plus 1 remain, and x plus 2 plus b x plus 1 will be cut x plus 2 c x plus 2 will cut x plus 1 whole square. This is now if you will multiply this, a x square plus 2x plus x plus 2 plus this is bx plus 2b. This is c x square plus 2x plus 1 all divided by x plus 1 whole square x plus 2. This will be a, this 2x and x, 3x x square plus 3x plus 2 plus bx plus 2b plus cx square plus 2cx plus c all divided by x plus 1 whole square x plus 2. If you multiply this, ax square plus 3ax plus 2a plus bx plus 2b plus cx square plus 2cx plus c divided by x plus 1 whole square x plus 2. Now x square, if you take common, then from here a, from here c, a plus c, plus we'll take x common, then from here 3a plus b plus 2c plus 2a plus 2b plus c divided by x plus 1 whole square x plus 2. Now we'll compare coefficient. So a plus c is equal to, here coefficient is x square, coefficient is 1. So a plus c is equal to 1. This will be equation 1. 3a plus b plus 2c is equal to, this will be also 1. This is 1. This is equation 2. And 2a plus 2b plus c is equal to 1. This is 3. Now we will find value of ABC. Adding 1 and, if we'll add equation 1 and 3. So if we'll add, then this will be 3a plus 2b plus 2c is equal to 2. And subtract 2 from this. 3a plus b plus 2c is equal to 1. We'll subtract minus. So this will be cut. So b is equal to 1. Now we will put value of b in equation 2. So if you put value of b in equation 2, then this will be 3a plus 1. 1 will and come this side, so it will become 0. So 3a plus 2c is equal to 0. This is equation 4. From 1 and 4, now 4 is 3a plus 2c is equal to 0. And if you multiply equation 1 with 3, then 3a plus 3c is equal to 3. If you subtract this, minus, this will cut. So minus c is equal to minus 3. It means c is equal to 3. C is equal to 3. So we have got value b is equal to 1, c is equal to 3. If we'll put value of c in 1, so a is equal to, then a is equal to minus 2. So all the three value of ABC we have got. Now we will put value of ABC in our so now integration will be then integration of x square plus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square x plus 2 dx. Then we will a by a is minus 2, so minus 2 1 by x plus 1 plus b is 1 by x plus 1 whole square integration dx here dx. And c is equal to 3, so 3 1 by x plus 2 dx. Now we'll integrate this, so this will be minus 2 log x plus 1. This differentiation, it will this will go up, then minus 2, so minus 2 plus 1 minus, this will be minus 1 by x plus 1 because we will suppose this will go up, then it will be x plus 1 minus 2, so integration will be then x plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 means 1. This will be minus 1, so this will minus, and minus 2 plus 1, so this is minus. Now this 3 log x plus 2 plus this is the answer. I hope you must have understood this solution today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.